Hello and welcome back to the Moto Stylish channel. Aprilia has a rich history in adventure riding, and the Tuareg line is a testament to that. With its roots in off-road riding and its modern take on design, the Tuareg 660 is an excellent choice for those who want to tackle any terrain. The Tuareg 660 has a bold and modern design, with segmented LED headlights and a compound curved windscreen that dominates the front of the bike. The handguards provide additional protection for the rider, while the LED DRLs ensure that the bike is easily visible during daylight hours. The Minimalist Bodywork is aerodynamic, and the 5-inch color TFT screen displays all the necessary information. The frame of the Tuareg 660 is made from steel tubing and aluminum plates, with the engine serving as a stressed member. The bike has a dry weight of 412 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and pick up if necessary. The suspension is handled by Kayaba, with $43 million forks and a monoshock out back, providing 9.4 inches of travel and adjustable settings for different terrains. The Tuareg 660 is powered by a 660 cubic centimeters engine, delivering excellent performance and reliability. The engine is well protected and partially visible, making it both functional and attractive. The bench-style seat is comfortable and provides enough room for the rider and a passenger, with plenty of room for body shifts during technical off-road riding. The Tuareg 660 is available in 3 colors: Indigo Tagelmust, Blue, Martian Red, and Acid Gold. The bike has a starting price of $11,999, making it an excellent value for those who want a versatile and capable adventure motorcycle. The 2023 Aprilia Tuareg 660 is a great choice for those who want to explore the world on 2 wheels. With its excellent design, powerful engine, and capable suspension, this bike is ready for any adventure. Whether you're crossing deserts or climbing mountains, the Tuareg 660 will get you there with ease. Thank you for watching this video about the 2023 Aprilia Tuareg 660. If you're interested in this bike, be sure to check it out at your local Aprilia dealer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle videos.